So there's a super interesting new study out that says that the rate of temperature drops and spikes is getting more dramatic, and also that it's becoming more and more common across the earth. So overall, what we're talking about, especially a place like here in Colorado where we're really prone to getting big temperature swings. You might remember a couple years ago, back in September 2020, we went from 101 to 31 in about 3 days. We went from 100 degrees to snow in less than 3 days as well. In that time span, that prompted the huge spread of the Cameron Peak fire and all sorts of wild weather as a result of that. And what the study says is that swings like that were really, really dramatic, even for us here in Colorado, may become more common in the next few years. Bunch of different reasons behind that, but overall, when we're talking about a warming climate and when we're talking about added warmer air into the atmosphere, that creates a ripple effect of different effects. Not just the fact that you got warmer temperatures, but that also could strengthen the jet stream. It helps dislodge the polar vortex, so it means we get these big intrusions of Arctic air more and more commonly. And we've also got that stronger jet stream because we're separating even warmer air off to the south compared to really cold air off to the north, and the jet stream is a byproduct of that temperature difference between the two. So long story short, these sorts of really wild temperature swings that we've seen in recent years, for example, in Denver, you might remember in 2022, in December 2022, we had that 51 down to minus 20 swing for us in the span of about 3 days. Of course, the 2021, and we've seen a few of these polar Arctic outbreaks in recent years. Those could become more common in the next few years based on this new study.